Hey everyone, my name is Jonas. Welcome to this video where I'll show you how you can set up a passive income stream on Facebook. And no, this has nothing to do with Facebook ads. This is using completely free traffic, which is super cool. And I'm going to explain everything in this video right now. So let's hop over to my computer and I'll see you there. Hey everyone, it's Jonas. Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how you can make passive income in 2018, and this will work in 2019 and 2020 as well. Anyway, before I get started, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. That button, or those two buttons, are below this video. Just click the like button and subscribe. Anyway, let's get started right away, and I'll show you how you can make passive income in 2018 using a very simple method. What you're going to do is very simple. You're going to ask group admins on Facebook for a pinned post in exchange for a little bit of money. So for example, you could ask them for a pinned post for a week for $20. If they say yes, that's awesome. You're going to make money, most likely. I can't make any guarantees. But it's a very simple method, and you can just scale this up by joining more and more groups and asking more people to have a pinned post. So for an example, and again, as I said, I just want to say that again, this is an example. I'm not saying you should do this exact thing. I just want to give you an idea here of what would probably work really well. Let's say we go into keto diets, like intermittent fasting and stuff, and you join all of these groups. As you can see here, the first one here has got 35,000 members. This one's got 558,000 members. This one's got 57,000 members. In short, tons of members that are interested in keto. Now, if we go to Max Bounty, for example, which is a CPA network, we can find an offer here called keto weight loss, for example. We can find another one called, this one is actually international, which means that is perfect for you. That's the kind of offer that you would want. Pays $55 per lead, and the EPC, which means earnings per click, is 30 cents. So that means on average, if you send 300 clicks, 1,000 clicks to this offer, you're going to make $300, if my math is correct, which it probably isn't because I'm terrible at math. But that's how it works, and getting that many clicks to your link is not going to be very difficult when you have an audience the size of, like, let's say as an example, you managed to get a pin post in all 3 groups. I was looking into one of them. We can take a look here. 195 new posts today. We can see this one. 2,706 new posts today. There's a ton of potential in here, if we put it that way, for you to. And I mean, if you have a pinned post here, I'm going to. I don't know how the Facebook algorithm works, but I would assume that all of the people here that went to make a post will have seen your pinned post first, which means that you can get an insane amount of traffic to your offer. Now, you're not going to want to send it directly to your offer. You're going to want to send it to a landing page first. And speaking of landing page, I have a free course where I show you one of my top recommended ways of making money online, if that's something you'd be interested in. There's a link in the description below. And this is what you kind of want to make your offer look like as well, your landing page. And you can build a landing page with a product called InstaBuilder. So if you go to Fiverr.com, that's Fiverr with 2 R's, and you type in InstaBuilder, you can get someone to install that on your website for $5, or because it's $6 now, I think, with all the fees and stuff. But when I said that you want it to look something similar, what I mean then is you just want to have a short headline and basically an email form here so that people can enter their email, because the reason you want this is so that you can get people on your email list as well, so that if they don't buy the first time they see it, you can still send them follow-up emails and you can get the sale on the second email, or the third, or the fourth, or the fifth, or the sixth. You get my point. So for example, for keto, it would be something like, I actually don't know. The easiest way to come up with a headline for something like that would be to open the offer. So just open that offer here. You can take a look at the, okay, there's no landing page review not yet available. Okay, if you do this on Max Bounty, for example, and again, you can go to Market Health, you can go to Offer Vault and find a ton of different offers here. You can also go to ClickBank, and we can find something here like keto resources. This one's got great gravity. This means that 113 affiliates have made a sale within the last 30 days. I think I might be wrong there, but I think that's it. Let's take a look at the headline here. You could probably just basically copy the headline from this, and then you send them to this page here. And that's how simple it is. So just, you don't need to hurry, this free offer won't last long. I'll probably do something like this. Get this brand new bacon and butter ketogenic diet cookbook 100% free. Put that on your page here, and then get instant access, or just get access now. They click it, they get sent to this page, they enter their details, and you get paid. So that's one way you can do it. And that's actually pretty much the whole method. That's how easy it is. And as I said, the way to scale this then is, let's say you do this offer and you get approved. So I don't even know if I mentioned that, but what you're going to do here is you're going to join these groups, and then you're going to ask the group members, the group admin, if you can have a pin post. And if they say yes, awesome. You're going to probably PayPal them $20 or so, or $40, or wherever you agree with. You have it for 1 week. If it works well for you, keep paying them every single week, obviously. And if it doesn't work out well, don't pay them anymore. It's as simple as that. But I mean, you can scale this really hard. I mean, let's say you get started with this offer, keto, $55 per lead. You get approved in like 5 different groups. You're going to get hundreds of people to join your list every day, which is pretty cool. And what you can do then is, you can just find other offers. Let's say this keto offer worked well, and you scale it up to pretty much all of these groups. You're getting hundreds of leads per day. You're possibly making hundreds of dollars per day as well. Again, I'm making absolutely no guarantees here whatsoever, but it is very possible because the traffic is very targeted, and there's a ton of members in here as well. So there's a lot of people that can see your offer and your opt-in page will look like this. And again, if you want this ebook from me, or it's actually not an ebook, it's a training course video. It's just enter or click the link in the description below. You'll come to this page, enter your email here, and you'll get that course. Full disclosure, you will be added to my email list, and I will be sending you promotional recommendations every now and then, product recommendations every now and then. You can unsubscribe whenever you want, so you're not forced to stay on my list or anything. Anyway, that's pretty much the whole method. So you're just going to do this, and then when you want to scale it up, find other offers. So for example, as I said, if keto worked well, try and find something similar, or try and find something completely different. That will probably work as well. So if you can find something for, like, I actually looked that up just a couple of minutes ago, tinnitus sufferers, and there was an offer on Max Bound. It was called Tinnitus 911. Apparently that course by itself, I actually looked that one up, it seems terrible, so don't promote that one, but just another example of what you can do. You can probably go to Amazon as well and find stuff there, like products that people might be interested in, that you could have. So after they enter their email here and opt in, you send them to an Amazon offer or something like that. So there's a ton of different ways you can make this work. Again, this is markethealth.com. There's a lot of like French offers, Dutch offers. So if you live in another country, or you speak French, for example, and there's a big French group for something, join down. Let's take a look and see what they have. I have no idea. Teeth whitening, anti-aging, muscle builder, a couple different stuff. So you can take a look at that if you want as well. And just be creative here. So just think of any kind of offer that you think would work well, that has a big audience. Set up your landing page. It does not have to look very special at all. Just make it simple. Just take a look at the landing page where you're going to be sending people, and basically just copy the headline there, because that means it's going to be very congruent. Because if they see something that says like, get this free keto cookbook or whatever, and they click get instant access, and they get to a page where it says get this free keto cookbook or recipes or whatever, it's very congruent, and that's going to convert fairly well, especially if you get high convert, or I forgot what I was going to say. If you get this targeted traffic that you're going to find in these kind of groups. So that's pretty much the whole method. So in short, go to Facebook, find groups that has a decent amount of people. I'd say probably at least 5,000 people. The more the better, of course, but also the more members you're probably going to have to pay more as well. So the only thing you have to do then is you need to find an offer. So for example, as I said, go to Max Bounty, go to Market Health, go to Offer Vault, go to ClickBank, and just try and find an offer. So Paleo Hacks cookbooks, for example, so anything like health related here. And then just set up your landing page. As I said, go to fiverr.com, get InstaBuilder installed, $6. Make a really simple headline, connect it with your autoresponder, And if you don't have an autoresponder and you don't want to get one, I would still have a landing page because Facebook typically doesn't like affiliate links, so you may not be able to use a direct affiliate link. So you should get this as well, but you can skip the actual email bit and just have people click get instant access and then right away transfer them to the actual offer that you want to send them to. But I would still recommend you to get an autoresponder. Most of them are free for the first 30 days or so. There's Aweber, there's GetResponse, there's Market Hero, there's all kinds of autoresponders. I would choose, if I were to do it all again now, probably GetResponse, because Aweber these days will require you to have something called double opt-in for the first month or so. And I'm not going to get into what that is, but just in short, GetResponse might be easier, and I think it's like $19 per month or something. So you need an autoresponder, and then you need to connect that to Instabuilder. That's super simple. If you need any help with that, just let me know. I think I have some training on that as well. Get them to click here, get instant access. They're going to come to the offer, and when they're on the offer page, let's just take a look at this one. This one, I think. Yes, they'll come here, and then if they decide to purchase it, they're saying that they're giving it away 100% free. I think there might be shipping that they'll have to pay for, which might be like $10 or $20 or something, I'm not sure, but that's it, and you get paid. So that's how it works. That's how you set up a passive income stream on Facebook using 100% free traffic, which is really cool. So if you have any questions about this method, let me know. If not, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, as I said, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload another video. Most videos these days are just pure value, just me giving you really cool methods that I think would work really well. Again, no full disclosure, I'm making no guarantees that this will work for you. What I can say is that you're not really risking anything. So if you get approved to do a pin post in one of these groups, it's going to cost you $20. Worst case scenario, you will lose that, and you'll get like very few leads. But I don't think that's possible, because if it's this targeting, you find an offer that is targeted, you have a landing page that looks decent, you're going to get leads, and hopefully you'll get sales as well, but I'm not making any guarantees. But that's it for this method. So and again, just scale this up more and more and more, and once you have like 10 once you have a pin post in like 10 different groups, the only thing left for you to do then is you have to pay these people, the group admins, every week or so, wherever you agree with. But I mean, you can set this up on PayPal to just be recurring, and it's really going to be passive after that. You may need to change the offer every now and then, but overall you're going to get a lot of traffic with very little work. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.